In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove a household in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money does not have a single delete household button, but you can still remove or fully delete a household depending on what you want to do. If you just want to stop sharing and remove the household setup, go to your profile icon, then Settings, and open the Members section. From here, remove each household member one by one. As you remove members, any accounts connected to their profiles will also be removed, effectively breaking up the household. If you want to completely delete everything, including all data, go to Settings and open the Security section. Look for the option to permanently delete your account, then confirm the action. Keep in mind, this will remove all your accounts, transactions, and balances, and it cannot be undone. Choose the option that fits your situation, whether you just want to stop sharing or fully delete your data. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.